Hi, my name is Chris Horton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and we're on a 2020 NauticStar 223 deck boat. Plenty of seating up front. You even have a cooler / live well, so if you want to do some fishing, you can. Has the bow ladder. Lots of seating. Large bimini top. The table. Head compartment. And a freshwater sink. This has got a 150 Yamaha on the back. Ski tow bar. The perfect boat to do fishing and water sports. Even has a Simrad chart plotter GPS. Infinity Bluetooth stereo. If you'd like to know more about this boat, give me a call on my cell at 850-974-6032.